Using Canva's free version can be a bit limiting, especially when you can't access those pro animations. Well, I have discovered a secret way to use pro feature animation for free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too. As you can see, I'm on the free version. Create a new design. I will use Video Project. On the left side, scroll down. Search for app. In the app section, search for app name Lottie. This is the app logo. And here is your treasure. You can use any icon from here. And the best part is it's all animated, so you can use any animation in your design. You can explore their wide variety. But for now, I will select this design. Click on Add to Design. Adjust its position. Let's add few more. Finally, download the file in MP4 format. And here is your final result.